By the end of the video, we'll know about how to work out on a rowing machine effectively. Rowing machines provide a full body workout, targeting your legs, core, and upper body, while also improving cardiovascular fitness. Here's a guide to help you get started and make the most out of your rowing sessions. Understanding the basics of rowing. Rowing on a machine involves a combination of strength and endurance. It mimics the motion of rowing a boat, which requires coordinated effort from various muscle groups. Steps to proper rowing: form the catch. Sit on the rowing machine and strap your feet in securely. Bend your knees and slide forward on the seat until your shins are vertical. Lean slightly forward at your hips and extend your arms straight out, grabbing the handle, the drive. Push off with your legs, straightening them while keeping your arms extended. As your legs straighten, lean back slightly and pull the handle towards your lower ribs. Your hands should reach just below your chest at the end of the drive. The finish. At the end of the drive, your legs should be straight, your back slightly reclined, and the handle pulled into your lower ribs. Your elbows should be pointed back, not out to the sides. The recovery. Extend your arms back out towards the flywheel. Lean forward at the hips and slide back to the starting position, bending your knees as you go. Key tips for effective rowing workouts: warm-up. Start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up at a low intensity to get your muscles ready. Interval training. Alternate between high-intensity rowing and periods of low-intensity rowing, or rest to build endurance and strength. Steady-state rowing. Row at a consistent pace for an extended period to improve your cardiovascular fitness. Cool down. Finish with a 5-minute cool down at a low intensity and stretch your muscles to prevent stiffness. Middle content reminder. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Common rowing mistakes to avoid: overcompensating with arms. Ensure the power comes from your legs, not just your arms. Your legs are the strongest muscles and should drive most of the movement. Poor posture. Keep your back straight and avoid hunching over. Maintain a strong core throughout the workout. Monitor your progress. Use the machine's monitor to track your distance, speed, and calories burned. Set goals and challenge yourself to improve. Conclusion. Rowing is a fantastic way to build strength, improve endurance, and enhance overall fitness. With the right form and consistent practice, you can achieve great results from your rowing workouts. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Get on the rowing machine today and start rowing your way to better health and fitness.